a Sandwiches of Canada, Canada Day special, with your host, Sandwich Dad. Hello, I'm Sandwich Dad, and today on Canada Day, I join you from the beautiful Canadian urban wilderness, from the mighty birch tree to the birds chirping to the sounds of construction in the background. Today we're bringing you from coast to coast to coast, east to west to north, the Sandwiches of Canada. First up, Newfoundland, with the Bologna steak sandwich. Newfoundland also has the hot turkey with dressing sandwich, but I'm a sucker for a good thick slice of bologna by. Best con right there. Then we're going to head down to Nova Scotia for the Haligonian Donair. Donair meat, onions, tomatoes, and that garlicky, creamy, sweet Donair sauce. Wrapped in a pita and perfect for soaking up last night's regrets. For Prince Edward Island, we've got the lobster roll. From the bright red mud to the bright red lobster to the bright red hair of Anne of Green Gables, the birthplace of Confederation, and a lovely sandwich to boot. Down to New Brunswick, we've got the cherry sandwich, a favorite at parties, funerals, weddings, rolled up into little pinwheels, most often than not, kind of like a little sandwich sushi here. I'm sorry I did a poor job of representation in this case. I'll do better next time. On to Quebec. Well, of course, the most popular being the Montreal smoked meat sandwich, but Quebec, of course, has the most iconic sandwiches of any province. Of course, there's the grillade de Valleyfield. That's a lovely grilled pork belly on white bread with tomatoes, onions, and mustard. There's also Steamy's Gaidi, pain sandwich, the Walensky special, and of course, there's also the hot chicken. Be confused with Nashville hot chicken. Quebec hot chicken is covered in gravy, smothered in peas, and was a favorite in the old Zeller's restaurants, if anyone remembers those. Ontario, a number of favorites there as well. This one here is Toronto's hot veal, probably one of my favorites, but of course there's also Sudbury porchetta, there is Lancaster perch roll, Caesaroni, patty sandwiches, but the most iconic still probably remains at the Carousel Bakery in St. Lawrence Market, the Peameal bacon a sandwich. I like mine with cheese, mustard, and a bit of HP.
That's it! Back to Winnipeg!
Yes, from Manitoba we're going back to Winnipeg, and their sandwich I think is best represented by the Fat Boy Burger. Double, single, triple, with chili. So many iconic places you can get this in Winnipeg. If you're ever in town, you gotta try one. All right, on to Saskatchewan. And that's the wild and wacky Frajolaki. Chicken or steak marinated in Greek spices on a torpedo bun with onions, tomatoes, and usually feta. On to Alberta. Their most iconic sandwich is probably the Kubie burger. Kielbasa sausage patty, popular in the Mundare and Edmonton area. Why isn't Alberta's sandwich a steak sandwich, you might ask? If you can find me an Alberta steak sandwich recipe that's iconic around the province, I will change this video. No one's found me one yet. For British Columbia's most iconic sandwich, I'm going to have to go with the JapaDog. For those who are unfamiliar, these are hot dogs that have been a staple in downtown Vancouver with Japanese toppings. Teremeo and Oroshi are two of my favorites. Try them out if you're ever in Vancouver. Now it's Yukon Ho. And for the Yukon, I am going to pick the Triple J's Spicy Buffalo Chicken Burger. Folk from Whitehorse might point to the Hot Christie or to the Alligator Grilled Cheese Wagon, but folk in Dawson City, Yukon, line up for this every spring when the Triple J opens up. For the Northwest Territories, though they're famous for their big fish and their big lakes, I'm going to have to go with the Bannock Burger. Beautifully fried Bannock, which is an indigenous fry bread, if you didn't know, with any kind of burger. This one's also a big favorite all over the Canadian prairies, which were once all part of the Northwest Territories. Speaking of prairie and territory connections, for Nunavut, the one sandwich I know for sure they have up there are Hygaard subs. This is a Hygaard pizza sub made in Edmonton, Alberta. And for a prepackaged deal, these are still superb. Well, that's my Canadian sandwich list, friends. Let me know your favorites and any I've missed in the comments. Happy Canada Day. Follow for more Canadian sandwich content. Sandwich Dad. Good day!